Number 3, what has been the most valuable investment advice you've ever received?
All right, I like this question. Mine's probably no one becomes financially free from working. So what I mean by that is can't work on a per hour basis. You can't have to turn up at 7 and work till 7. Like that's not financially free. So you're either going to need a business that actually works for you, like you don't work in the business, or a salary job where you fund the investments that will make money while you sleep. So that's mine. No one becomes financially free from working.
You know, my brother-in-law said to me when I was younger, he said, Ty, you'll never become rich working for someone else. And that makes sense to me. Yeah, sure, you could become the CEO of the NAB or Macquarie Bank, but really, what are the odds?
But again, you're still working for an hour, so you still got to put that money to something. Yes, they could probably save a huge nest egg and then retire and live off that nest egg and whittle it down, but they're still going to make smart investing decisions.